So this is your first time to UniGamer.net, and you tried to log in, but evidently you haven't made an account yet. So it's saying you can't log in. So you go to sign up, you enter in your first name, your username, your password. Make sure you retype the password correctly because it will check and it won't let you submit. So if you see I mistype it here, it still has that error for password confirmation must match password. Now let's retype it correctly. The error message goes away, we submit, and we are returned to the login page where we'll have entered in the password and click submit. However, this submit will not do what you expect. It won't log you in. It'll say, please authenticate with the email sent to your cpp.edu account, which you'll have to go to your cpp.edu account. And lo and behold, there is a Unigamer at unigamer.net email saying click here to authenticate. So you click on that link and it authenticates your user, and then you go back over to unigamer.net and then just try and log in again, and miraculously it's changed the database, so now you can log in. So first thing that happens when you log in is it brings you, for the first time, it brings you to the profile creation page. So we're going to use an image that I have here. Resize the circle for the image. Pick your favorite genres and games. You can add as many as you want. You can add ones that haven't been written in by selecting other and then typing in their names in the boxes. And you enter in your Steam information because later in the profile that'll pull information from Steam in order to get a larger profile of. Here, the next screen it brings you to is the Add Courses page. You'll have to select your term. You can select either this term or a future term. There's a limit to how many classes you can add. We did this as a security measure. You can add one class or multiple classes. It'll search and make sure those classes actually exist. When you click the submit, you'll see a confirmation page with the classes that you're trying to add. So it'll give the course ID numbers, and you'll select add course for those classes. It'll bring you first to the summary page, which is the main page. In there you'll get a quick summary of the last 5 status messages that have been posted to a class. So you can also go to the class directly and you'll see the last 75 status messages that have been posted to a class, including all the images of the users who have posted those and the ability to click on them and get to their profiles. You can also click on the user list to get to the profiles. Here I've clicked on myself and it's nicely displayed, and it pulled that information from Steam. It was quick, so you didn't get a chance to see it, but I'll show you later when we look at Justin's page. So you also have a filtering area at the bottom which allows you to filter which students in the class also have similar interests to you. So you can, well, here we'll click on Unigamer, but we'll go back to the class. And then you'll see that we can filter by some genre, let's say first-person shooter games, text adventure games, whatever you want to do, real-time strategy. Let's see Mauritius, what's he got? Okay, so his profile takes a little longer to load because it's one of the more fleshed out things, but it shows there that one of his favorite genres is the real-time strategy. And here it shows a list of all of his games that he has on Steam that he's ever played. And so it's quite a long list, and it's quite an extensive history that we had to pull from Steam through their public API. So let's say you wanted to delete one of your classes. You go to the settings page, you click the class you want to delete, and you click delete. But let's say we wanted to change our password. So we enter in our old password and enter in our new password. It gives us the same verification that the sign up did. And so we try and change our password, and we've changed our password. And well, let's see, let's log out and log back in and see if that really worked. So we log out, log back in with our old password, and it'll say check your credentials. So let's change it to the new password, and there you can log in. So, and you'll see that the class that we had deleted was actually deleted. So say you want to add a class for the future, let's say winter quarter 2017 CS. I'll enter the 580 class that Dr. Sun is also teaching. We'll add that class. And you'll see already in the status summaries. Oh wait. CS 580, so the winter. In the status summaries, there's already a post from UniGamer who says this is the first post. So evidently that user has been there first. But so let's say this is a post for the future class. Here we're writing in a post for the future class. So you can get to know your students get to know the students in your classes ahead of time, and know what they like and what they don't like, and that'll help you get to know and better associate with them for groups in the future. Now let's log out and log back in and say we've forgotten our password. And so we try it and submit with the wrong password, and we can't figure it out. We keep trying. Maybe we need to reset our password. So we go to the Forgot Password button. Click that, and it'll say a password reset link has been sent to your email. So it remembers how to get in touch with you. You'll check your email. There's the Unigamer at unigamer.net password reset link. Click on that, and that'll bring you to a page to change a password. Now it'll double check to make sure your new password isn't the same as your old passwords. So it says try a different password that was previously used. So we'll change that and submit. And now you'll be redirected to unigamer.net, and it automatically asks you to update your password. So then you submit with the new password, and there you have it. It's logged in.